No Sydney backyard or garden is complete without an outdoor grill/barbecue. They are the perfect way to complement any professional landscaping work you may have done and can even serve as the focal point in many people's gardens. It's up to you whether you choose to go for a simple, standalone barbecue or invest in something that's a bit more permanent and is a garden feature in its own right. The number one benefit of owning your own outdoor grill/barbecue is because of the opportunities to socialize and entertain its efforts. You can invite your friends and family over and grill up a plethora of delicious delights while chatting and enjoying yourselves. Not so much for simple, standalone barbecues, but the more extravagant outdoor grills/kitchens that are permanent features can add value to your home. If it's been constructed using quality materials and components, an outdoor kitchen/grill can provide a lifetime of use. Cooking outside allows all the heat to dissipate into the air. This prevents your home from being filled with cooking smells and reduces unnecessary indoor heat, the latter of which can save you money on your A/C bills. An outdoor barbecue grill with tables and chairs close by acts as an expansion to your home. Chances are it will become the default place where you entertain and congregate. A small roof will even allow you to use your outdoor grill/barbecue when the weather's bad. Barbecued food isn't just tasty, it's also healthy, whereas fried food is cooked in the fat that comes out of it, and any extra you add, barbecued food sees that fat drip away. The best part of all, though, is that your food retains a lot of its moisture because of the high heat of the grill. When you toss a slab of meat over the fire, it actually preserves more riboflavin and thiamine. Both of these nutrients play a vital role in a healthy diet, as well as have many health benefits associated with each of them. If you are a master with the grill and not overcooking your food, you will have juicy cuts of meat and tasty veggies. Because the grill locks in more moisture, you will be less inclined to reach for the butter or other contaminants to jazz up your food. Not only does that mean you eat fewer calories, but you put less unhealthy stuff in your body. The act of grilling gets you outdoors. A lot of parents toss around a frisbee or kick a ball around the grass with their kids while grilling dinner. The act of cooking and eating outdoors encourages more activity, which we all know is just an added health bonus to go along with your delicious dinner. Thanks for watching. Until next time.